All right, so here is the TSA on NinjaTrader. I'm gonna do I just showed you the live execution. Well, not live, but playback um, and executions of this going right here. And now I'm gonna actually load in. So there's a few ways you can back test, and this is the one I like the most. So I'm gonna load in just 180 days of data right here. Okay, so I'm gonna hit apply. And now we've got 180 days of data that's loaded into it. Now I can go to strategy performance, and I click on real time and historical. And then it popped up on another screen. I'm gonna pull it over real quick. And this is what it's showing us right now. So for that 180 days, this is running 24/7. This is not set on our time filter. It's saying they made 2.1 million with 89.75. Now this is 5 contract entries. And our Sharpe ratio is almost 0.97. Our profit factor is 2.59. Our percent win is 68%. All right, let's actually manage this a little bit and get this down to a normal. I like to use 1 contracts as my baseline to look at stats on things, and because I can always scale up or down based off of that. I need to. All right, so now we're down to just 1 contract. This is 24/7, and we're still win rate and everything else, but the drawdown is acceptable on any prop firm account. So is the profit and loss. We're still at 435,000 over 180 days. Now, what we can do is we can come into this strategy here, and we can put on a time filter. So say we only wanted, you have 4, so you can trade just US session, and then it could stop and it could trade Asia, or it could trade parts of US session. You don't want to trade during lunch, etc. You can do all that with these time filters, and that's how that works. Now I got it set just like this. We'll actually go down to 15, and we'll go to 30 here. And all right, now let's go to enable, apply, okay. And then I'll come back into my strategy performance, real time and historical. Drag this over here. And now we're looking at 150,000 in net profit, 1,000 in drawdown. Sharpe ratio is starting to reach 1. We have a 76% win rate. If we can actually go back and we can look at the daily trades and how many they took on every single day that it has through those 180 days, and it'll show you the cumulative profit. It'll show you your gross loss, your cumulative drawdown, max drawdown. So the max drawdown is looking really good. I don't see any like huge wild numbers that would. Okay, so here's 1,000. That's still not that bad. I don't see any huge numbers that would throw out some red flags. We do have a few lost days, and this is running with the US session times that I just set. So overall, this is actually doing really well. You should still test and play with it and run playback test and run forward test, but trend shift algo is ready to go on NinjaTrader.